This is one of my newest designs and I'm so excited to share it. You're gonna start right about 1/3 into the eyebrows and you're gonna add 2 large red ovals. One on either side here.
I like peacock.
Then you use that same red to do 3 dots on this cheek and 3 dots on that cheek. Now I'm using a filbert and you could do this all in one color of green, but I love using a 1 stroke with a couple shades of green. Make sure you watch your dark edge and your light edge. And we're gonna add a top bump and a top bump here and go across the top. And over here, we're gonna come a little bit further than our first one. We're gonna go down, we're gonna come up, we're gonna go down, we're gonna come over. Now one of the biggest secrets to reptiles is when you are painting their faces, it needs to frown and magically it's smiling. When you trace the entire line, it ends up being an overall smile. We're gonna put in a top line up here above the eyebrow and then an elbow that comes down to that middle bump. From there, we're gonna just arc either side and then we've got there. So we go out and flip, get that elbow, get the other fingers, do the other side of the arm, a little bit of the hand. Now we're flipping to blue and pull in that blue shoulder. Makes it look like a tree frog. Now we're gonna come out here to this outer edge and we're gonna just do a U shape all the way down. Scoop around. We're gonna come up and down. And we're gonna just grab that. And with the white on there, you can wait and do this with a round brush, but we're gonna just throw some little highlights on. Now we just have some outlining. So we're gonna trace the eye, and then we're gonna bend that line that goes straight down the middle, only it's bent, and we're gonna put a diamond shape. Trace that shape, and then we're gonna bend that line down the middle and put on a diamond. And we're gonna come up and around, come up and around, and across the top. And we're gonna trace that in between. And then we're gonna just do a little flick for the nose. Now the arm, you want to outline it a little quickly. You go around the back, do the elbow, and then this is just one big loopy. We're going to pull across, I'm going to pull up and down, and then here we go. Just loop that outline all the way around. And then we're just going to put a little bit of that there. Check it out. It's awesome, huh? And now if you raise your eyebrows up and down, he'll dance for you. Oh, come on, make him dance really good. Oh, yeah.